So, kunyari, okay, so, let's pretend that I'm the caller. So, I call you. And I tell you, I just want to jump off the window. So, ko lang magpakamatay. What's the first thing you say to somebody like me?
One of the first three things is, sandali lang, nasaan ka ngayon? They have to say their location.
What does that do?
Because it's good. At least we know how bad it is.
Okay.
Number two, what they have to say is, may kasama ka ba? May nakakaalam ba ng iyong kalagayan? Yung kalungkutan mo at parang feeling mo, wala na talagang pag-asa. If we know it's just in the house, we are a bit relaxed.
Ano pag mag-isa?
Yung kami na ninervyos. We have to say, sandali lang, o sige, ipagkwento mo na muna sa amin.
Kumbaga, you delay.
Yeah.
You try your best to just...
Yeah, and we let them talk and talk. Sometimes it's 1 hour or 1.5. Or if they say, I'm already on the rooftop, doon kami na ninervyos. Sandali lang, ay, ang ingay naman, hindi namin kayo maririnig. Pwede kayong pumunta sa lugar na, sige, urong pa kayo.
And the objective talaga is to get them out of trouble.
Pull them out of the location.
Right.
That may mean danger.
Yeah.
So,
wow, it requires practice and expertise, no?
Okay, it's actually 6-month training.